Hello everyone, this is Vani here. You are watching English with Vani. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to tell you some few things like whenever if you want to speak impeccably in English especially, then you have to pick up some expressions. This is something which is significant in the conversation. Now if you're speaking something, it seems so straightforward and there was nothing to feel about that. The language which you're speaking, you might be heard many times that people are speaking, but that the formation of the sentence is very straightforward and it doesn't seem so impeccable. So if you're looking that impact, how to bring up that impact in your conversation, so for this you should have learned some sort of expressions and keep on imitating those expressions will make you more impeccable. So are you ready for that? If you're ready, let's get started. Get cold feet. Get cold feet. So whenever you're feeling nervous and you're saying, hey, she's feeling nervous, I'm feeling nervous. When I was facing the interview, I was feeling nervous. Now listen to me carefully. I'm feeling nervous. She's feeling nervous. He's feeling nervous. Or somebody is saying like, yeah, I visited some place where I met with some strangers or new people and I felt nervous. Don't you get bored with saying nervous?
Now here, instead of saying nervous, you can say get cold feet. So if you're feeling frightened or nervous, you can use get cold feet. For example,
when I was facing the interview, I was getting cold feet. Now over here, when I'm talking to you, I'm getting cold feet. Okay? I am getting cold feet. So don't you think it seems a little good at least while you're saying I'm feeling nervous? Instead of saying nervous, you can say I got a cold feet. Okay? Or I'm getting cold feet.
let's check it out. Next one, draw a blank. What does it mean? Draw a blank means can't remember. Whenever you cannot remember something, you can use draw a blank. Now let's see the example. My manager asked me a number. I drew a blank. Okay. So our next one, fall on deaf ears. Fall on deaf ears means people who do not listen, means somebody who is not listening to you. It means they fall on deaf ears. And some or being ignored. When you are being ignored, it means somebody who have fall on deaf ears. For example, keep your answer brief, otherwise they'll fall on deaf ears. My suggestions fell on deaf ears. Next, their suggestions fell on deaf ears. Next, the request fell on deaf ears. Next, those words fell on deaf ears. When someone is staying that place where he or she doesn't belong, okay? Then you can say fish out of water. Now the four friends are together and one friend just left from there. Now he is feeling he is like a fish out of water, means he is not comfortable with the other group or other place. Now he is willing to be with their own friends. In this case, you can use fish out of water, means you are not in the comfortable zone, you are not in the comfortable position. Maybe you were liking before wherever you were. In this case, you can use fish out of water. So the next one, get a kick out of. Get a kick out of. What does it mean? It means when you're really liking something or enjoying something, when you're feeling cheerful, when you're feeling blissful, or you're very much riveted or inquisitive. So let's see an example. I get a kick out of studying English. Means now you're enjoying studying English. Okay? That's how you can use. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll get notification.